What we got here? What signs? Let's load it up. Load it up. What you got? Ooh, that's a pretty flag.
I'll grab the sign.
What you got there? Is water in there?
Yeah.
We got the flag. Got the sign. Gonna make it happen. Good job. You guys ready?
All right. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah.
Go.
That was a police officer too.
Look at that baby wave.
Let's see your glasses. Yeah. What was your question again?
People hate America so much. Why do they live here?
That, my friend, is the million-dollar question. Nobody knows. Getting busy now. All right. Ben's like, my shirt.
I'm not doing it no more.
You guys are doing good though.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
You know, that was a long time for 1 hour.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah.
You guys did a good thing.
Well.
How about you? Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. We are definitely doing this next year. Maybe we'll have more people.
Yeah, we're
Do
definitely.
it next year. We're doing it every day. All day, every day.
I think it went really well.
Yeah.
Like, I'm really, really proud of the kids. I'm really proud of our family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did a good job.
See that too?
You guys did a really good job.
Yeah, next year I think we should plan it in advance
Yeah.
so people can like set aside. But really, it only took us an hour. I mean, what's an hour of someone's morning?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Had breakfast. Now we have the whole day to celebrate differently, but it was nice to walk around. So many.
And by
different
celebrate
reactions.
differently, you mean a couple of beers?
Yes, yes, I do. It's exactly.
And a couple
exactly
cream
what
sodas.
Couple cream sodas.
Everyone needs a little cream soda in their life.
All right, good job, guys. High five right here. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. All right, there you go.